The year was 1945. The world had just witnessed the terrifying power of the atom bomb. Hiroshima and Nagasaki served as stark reminders of humanity's destructive capabilities. Yet, from the ashes of war, a new fear emerged. Strange lights began appearing in the skies. These were not your typical aircraft. They moved with an otherworldly agility, defying the laws of physics as we knew them. These unidentified flying objects, or UFOs, were spotted near military bases and research facilities. Places like Los Alamos and Sandia National Laboratories, key sites in the development of the atomic bomb, became hotspots for these enigmatic aerial visitors. Was it mere coincidence? Or were these strange craft drawn to the very source of humanity's newfound power? Reports came from all over the world, often from credible sources like military personnel and scientists. As the world plunged into the Cold War, the nuclear arms race escalated at an alarming pace. The United States and the Soviet Union amassed vast arsenals of nuclear weapons, each capable of unimaginable destruction. Along with this terrifying buildup came an increase in UFO sightings. The skies above nuclear bases, both in the United States and abroad, seemed to be buzzing with activity. One of the most compelling incidents occurred in 1967 at Malmstrom Air Force Base in Montana. Multiple Minuteman missile silos, capable of launching nuclear warheads, simultaneously malfunctioned. Witnesses reported seeing strange lights in the sky just before the systems went down. The fact that both superpowers were experiencing these phenomena suggested a global phenomenon, one that transcended political boundaries. The 1967 Malmstrom incident was not an isolated occurrence. Similar events were reported at other nuclear facilities around the world, each time coinciding with UFO sightings. In some cases, witnesses described the UFOs as being in close proximity to the nuclear weapons themselves. This proximity, coupled with the subsequent malfunctions, fueled speculation that the UFOs were somehow interacting with the technology. One theory is that these UFOs might be emitting electromagnetic pulses, or EMPs, disrupting electronic systems. The question remains, if these UFOs are indeed extraterrestrial in origin, why the interest in our nuclear weapons? Across the Atlantic, another incident unfolded that would solidify the connection between UFOs and nuclear weapons in the minds of many. In December 1980, strange lights were observed near RAF Bentwaters, a British airbase used by the United States Air Force. The base housed nuclear weapons at the time, adding another layer of intrigue to the events that unfolded. Military personnel stationed at Bentwaters reported seeing a triangular-shaped craft hovering in the Rendlesham Forest, adjacent to the base. The object was described as emitting strange lights and making unusual sounds. The Bentwaters incident, often referred to as Britain's Roswell, quickly gained notoriety. It became one of the most well-documented UFO cases in history, with multiple witnesses, including high-ranking military officers, coming forward to share their accounts. Section 5. The Pentagon takes notice, unveiling the AA tip. For years, the United States government denied any interest in UFOs, dismissing sightings as misidentified aircraft or weather phenomena. In 2017, the New York Times revealed a secret Pentagon program called the Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, or AATIP. Operational from 2007 to 2012, AATIP investigated unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs. The revelation was a bombshell, confirming the government had been secretly studying UFOs. The creation of AATIP shows the government takes the UFO phenomenon seriously. The question remains, why the secrecy? Section 6. Voices from the inside. Witnesses speak out. As the stigma surrounding UFOs slowly begins to fade, more and more people are coming forward to share their experiences. Among them are highly credible witnesses, including former military personnel, astronauts, and government officials. One such witness is former NASA astronaut Edgar Mitchell, the sixth man to walk on the moon. Mitchell, who passed away in 2016, was a vocal proponent of UFO disclosure. Another prominent voice in the UFO community is Luis Elizondo, the former head of AATIP. Elizondo has publicly stated that he believes UAPs are real and that some of them may be of extraterrestrial origin. The testimonies of these individuals, along with countless others, paint a compelling picture. Section 7. A Cosmic Conundrum. Why nuclear technology? The question of why extraterrestrials might be interested in our nuclear technology is a complex one. There are several theories, each with its own merits. One possibility is that they are simply curious about our technological capabilities. Another theory is that they are concerned about the potential threat that nuclear weapons pose to our planet, and possibly even the galaxy. Nuclear explosions release enormous amounts of energy, potentially disrupting the delicate balance of the cosmos. If these extraterrestrials possess a deep understanding of the universe, they may be monitoring our nuclear activities to ensure that we do not accidentally destroy ourselves or others. Yet another theory posits that they may be interested in harnessing nuclear energy for their own purposes. Section 8. Guardians or observers. Deciphering the alien agenda. The true motives of these extraterrestrial visitors remain a mystery. Are they benevolent guardians, watching over us and intervening when necessary to prevent our self-destruction? Or are they merely curious observers, studying us with detached fascination as we play with forces we barely understand? The evidence is inconclusive. While there are numerous reports of UFOs appearing near nuclear facilities, there is no definitive proof that they have ever directly intervened to prevent a nuclear war. Some might argue that their very presence is a form of intervention, a silent warning to humanity about the dangers of our destructive tendencies. Ultimately, the question of whether these extraterrestrials are guardians or observers remains a matter of speculation. Section 9. The Unanswered Questions. A Legacy of Mystery. The UFO phenomenon is a perplexing enigma. Despite decades of research, we are no closer to answering if we are alone in the universe. The connection between UFOs and nuclear technology deepens the mystery. As we explore the cosmos, we must remain open to the possibility that we are not alone. The evidence, while often circumstantial, is too compelling to ignore. The search for answers continues. Cool.